Welcome to Storytelling Channel. Close-range video of a destructive tornado just southeast of Yazoo City from May 2nd, 2021. The tornado was catching me. I was near or underneath the drone, so unfortunately, the drone didn't make it. The last shots it got are included here. Sound is from my controller I was holding, and you can hear the tornado. That's how close I was. After a few minutes, the tornado suddenly got stronger and there was a lot of big smoke. Soon the smoke increased and spread around the large tornado. Thick black smoke surrounds it. The smoke in the big tornado kept getting thicker and thicker.
Head north on Fairfield Court toward Windsor Cove, then turn right onto Windsor Cove.
After a few minutes, the drone was zoomed in a bit to get a good look at the large tornado.
Head north on Fairfield Court toward Windsor Cove. 65 miles.
The tornado weakens for a few minutes before it gets stronger again. We can see that there is a blue color, or something that sparks blue like lightning at the bottom of the tornado. The drone is zoomed again to see the tornado. After a few hours, the big tornado weakened because it was still big. The tornado got bigger and bigger until the tornado's head became black again.
Head north on Fairfield Court toward Windsor Cove, then turn
If
right
you
onto
like our
Windsor Cove.
video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to press the bell button so you can always be updated on new videos that will be released.